Trust day in the Sierra. Taking a look at this time-lapse video we took about 3 o'clock this afternoon just north of Donner Lake, and you can see the snow on the ground, just a few little clouds moving overhead. Now let's go and take a live look at Lake Tahoe.
Ooh.
More clouds there, getting a little bigger, a little thicker. The mountains are expecting to see feet of snow this week, and that snow will have a big impact on Sierra communities. Thanks for joining us at 4. I'm Lisa Gonzalez.
And I'm Ty Steele. Chief Meteorologist Mark Finan is tracking this system. Mark, when will we start seeing rain and snow?
Yeah, and we have been tracking this for the last few days, and the good thing here is that the models have been very consistent with not only the timing but the amounts of snow that we're going to see, as well as the valley rain. So let me show you the highlights of what it is that we are expecting. We are expecting the biggest snow so far this year in the high Sierra. We will be seeing feet of snow in the high country. We'll likely be seeing maybe as much as 6 to 9 feet of snow in the high country. So as we go through the next couple of days, let's go over to the wall and just show you what it is we are expecting here. This is the weather system that is developing. Right now we have just a few clouds in the area, and then this is the system itself. Cold air behind it will merge with all of this moisture, helping to squeeze out all of the water that's available. And while there won't be much rain in the valley, the rain is actually going to be pretty moderate. In the Sierra, the snow is going to be significant, and it'll have a big impact on Sierra communities. I've updated the totals for what we could expect at 6,000 feet and higher, with around 6 to maybe as much as 9 feet of snow at the resorts. That'll be between Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So it doesn't all happen at once, but by the time we get to Sunday morning, the resorts will have a lot of digging out to do. Down at 5,000 feet, about 4 to 5 feet of snow. So for those of you around Emigrant Gap, Blue Canyon, you'll be seeing a lot of snow. Down to 4,000 feet, Arnold, Pollock Pines, 2 to 3 feet of snow. Now, by the time you get into Saturday, that's when the coldest air comes in, and that's when we may start seeing snow down around 3,000 feet and maybe a little bit of snow down at 2,000 feet. For those of you, and I know there's a lot of communities in that 3,200 to 3,500 foot range, you can expect probably at least a foot, maybe 18 inches of snow. So this is going to have an impact not only in the high Sierra, but also some of the lower communities in the upper foothills. I'll go through more on the timing on all this in just a couple of minutes.
Thank you, Mark. And people in the foothills and the Sierra are gearing up for this storm. Hardware stores like this one in Pollock Pines have been busy, and they will expect it to pick up even more as we get closer to that storm. Pollock Pines is at elevation 4,000 feet, so they would see 2 to 3 feet of snow. People are stocking up on shovels, utilities, sandbags, and other essentials.
Our fair share of power outages, and if there is a windy event like they might be kind of anticipating, we might lose some trees, which would potentially cause some power outages. So people start loading up on, like, say, heating pellets, batteries, lantern fuel, Coleman propane canisters, that type of thing, so that they have auxiliary sources of heat.
Make sure we have enough firewood, and then make sure there's enough propane in the tank, so we make sure, especially if we're really preparing for something that might come in, obviously shopping, that's what we just got through shopping up here Safeway. So you have enough food on board, because it happens where you can get yourself snowed to the point where you can't get out for a few days.
So much to think about and prepare for. Caltrans is also preparing. We'll have a live interview with them at 4:30 in this hour, including their warning to drivers.